Back in 2015, when I first reviewed the IKEA RYET series, it was available in two models, a 1000 lumen and a 400 lumen variant. IKEA recently decided to refresh the latter of the two, and it now comes in a single package, again same 400 lumen 5 watt bulb, but retails for just 99 cents. 99 cents. That's dirt cheap, dirt cheap. The 2015 400 lumen model retailed for, and I still have the receipt, $5.99 for two, so that's about €3 a bulb. Now 99 cents. Unbelievable. Is this 99 cents bulb any good though? We'll find it out. So let's start with an unboxing. There we go, easy enough. So the bulb feels really light. Of course that wouldn't surprise me because of the price and because it's just 5 watts. So today 5 watts it's fairly easy to manage, so no real big heatsink is required. Also, just to notice, there's some glue that got out of it, so they probably added a bit too much, and somebody just went there with his finger to wipe it off. So there is definitely not that much quality control, but for 99 cents I wouldn't expect one. So let's get on with the flicker test. Okay, very simple setup. Here's the bulb. This is a solar cell. The solar cell is connected to my oscilloscope, so we can see if there is some flicker. So let's turn on the bulb. There we go. And there's actually something, but it's not that much, so we can zoom in a bit. You can do a quick measurement, and it's about 200 millivolts peak to peak, which is not noticeable. It's definitely not that much. Frequency, if you're interested, is 61 kilohertz, from 61 to 64 kilohertz, which is probably the switching frequency. So yeah, it does flicker, but it's actually not that bad, and it's definitely not noticeable to the eye or to the camera. As for light output, it's not that bad. It's definitely warm white, so I'm usually more towards daylight or cold white, but it's definitely not that bad. Brightness is not that great, but it's just 400 lumens, so that's what you'd expect. It's definitely not going to blind you, but so far it's definitely a good bulb. I've noticed that it's getting a bit warm on the body, so I'm definitely interested in seeing how it will perform on the heat test. I left the bulb on for the past 30 minutes or so, and let's check the temperature. So it looks like it's 78 degrees or so in its hottest point, which is not that great actually, because this is pretty much an open fixture, so it's actually got a chance to cool down. If you install this bulb in a closed fixture, the temperature will be a lot higher. The 400 lumen IKEA RYET. In the end, I'd say that this is an average bulb for an excellent price. Yes, it does flicker and it's a bit on the hot side, but for 99 cents, really you cannot go wrong. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the teardown. Yes, I'll be taking this thing apart because I'm dying to see how can IKEA make a bulb for just 99 cents.